In this video, I'm going to share with you a few tips that I find useful every time I need to change the air filter on my HVAC unit. Before changing the filter, make sure that your HVAC unit is in the off position so that there's no airflow going through the unit. Make sure that you know the size of filter you need to purchase. My unit takes a 16 by 20 by 1. When it comes time to picking what filter to buy, this can be a daunting task. With a sea of endless products to pick from, it can be hard to determine which one to buy. But if you pick one anywhere between a MERV... Hold up, wait a second. What in the heck is MERV? Good question. I actually had to look that up. It stands for Minimum Efficiency Reporting Value. It basically means the scale used to measure the effectiveness of air filters based on the size of particles they can capture. Anywhere between a MERV 8 and a MERV 13, you'll be good to go with your unit. Anything higher than a MERV 13 would be overkill for your system and may actually cause harm, as the unit has to push more air through the thicker ply of the filter. But if you have any questions, definitely consult a professional that can service your HVAC unit and can tell you what MERV rating your HVAC unit can actually handle. When removing the old filter, make sure you are careful when pulling it out to ensure that these pieces right here don't get snagged on the metal and rip apart and cause a bigger problem for yourself. So just take your time and pull it out nice and gently until you get it completely out, like that. Make sure you know what direction the airflow of your unit is. You need to be able to match that with the filter before you put it in the cavity. When putting your new filter in, also make sure that these things do not snag when you're putting it in, and make sure the airflow of the filter matches the airflow of your unit. Another thing I want to point out is I put a date on the filter. This helps me remember when I replaced it last. Once you make sure your filter is all the way in, now we can go and turn the unit back on. Once you have the filter secured in its place, come back to your thermostat and turn it back on to either cool or heat depending on the season. It's winter here, so I definitely want some heat. If you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up and share it with anybody you think might need help replacing their air filter on their HVAC unit. And hit the subscribe button to get more handy tips. Thanks for watching. See you all later.